If you're tired of juggling spreadsheets, sticky notes, and random calendar reminders just to keep track of your tax payments and due dates, this video is going to save you hours. I've tested the most popular tools out there, and in the next couple of minutes, I'll show you the easiest way to track all your tax obligations in one place. Stick around till the end because there's one small feature most people miss, but it'll keep you ahead of deadlines and avoid costly penalties. Let's jump straight in. The software we'll be using allows you to create one simple dashboard that lists every tax payment, due date, and status, whether it's federal, state, or quarterly estimates. No need to cross-reference different accounts or check multiple sources. To start, create a free account using the exclusive link in the description below, only available to viewers of this channel. Once you're in, go to the dashboard and click Add Tax Obligation. You can choose the type of tax: income, business, self-employment, sales tax, whatever applies to you. Enter the due date, amount, and payment frequency. You can tag it by category and even upload a PDF or receipt if needed. Now here's the time saver. Set automated reminders. Choose how far in advance you want to be notified: 7 days, 3 days, or even the morning of. You'll get emails or push notifications, so you're never caught off guard. You can also sync the entire calendar to Google Calendar, Outlook, or Apple Calendar in just one click. That way, even if you forget to log into the software, your external calendar has your back. Another underrated feature: recurring payments. If you pay quarterly taxes, set it once, and it'll repeat every 3 months with updated dates. No manual entry needed. Now let's talk visibility. You can filter by due this week, overdue, or paid. This is super helpful if you're managing multiple entities or income streams. You'll see everything laid out clearly, without clutter. Need to share with your accountant or partner? Grant them view only or edit access. No more back and forth emails or missing context. Finally, for tracking, each payment gets a status update. You can mark it as paid, attach a confirmation, and keep a full audit trail for future reference. If you're ever audited or just need to double check, it's all there. The key takeaway? Tracking tax payments and due dates in one place doesn't have to be complicated. With the right system, you eliminate stress, stay compliant, and free up time to focus on your actual work. Quick recap: create a free account using the link below. Add your tax types and due dates. Set reminders and recurring payments. Sync with your calendar. Use filters and statuses to stay on top. And don't forget to share access if needed. Before you go, don't miss the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available through this channel, and it's the best way to follow along step by step. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.